How to melt your belly fat. The 5 secrets. Doctors won't tell you. Every morning, he looked in the mirror and said the same thing. I didn't even eat that much last night. So why is my belly still growing? That's the mystery of visceral fat, the invisible fat that wraps around your organs. It's stubborn, dangerous, and frustrating. But here's the truth. It's not about starving yourself or running for hours. It's about changing 5 simple habits. Habits that control how your body stores and burns fat. Let's uncover them, one by one. Part 1. The speed trap. Eating too fast. We live fast and we eat faster. When you eat too quickly, your brain doesn't have time to say, "Stop, I'm full." Your body suddenly gets hit by a tsunami of calories. It panics, and where does it send the extra energy? Straight to the easiest storage place, your belly. Slow eating doesn't just look elegant, it's biological wisdom. Studies show that eating slowly reduces stress, hormones, and lowers insulin spikes. The slower you eat, the faster your metabolism stabilizes. So next meal, chew, breathe, take your time, because the fastest way to lose fat is to stop eating fast. Part 2. The alcohol illusion. He always said, "I don't even eat much, just a few drinks." But that's the trick alcohol plays. When alcohol enters your system, your liver stops everything else to break it down. That means no fat burning. 0. While your liver is busy processing the alcohol, the fat floating in your blood gets stored instead right around your stomach. And even if you skip meals but keep drinking, your body still thinks emergency, store everything. So remember, it's not what you drink that hurts. It's what drinking stops your body from doing. Part 3. The muscle connection. You might think cardio is the ultimate fat burner. But if you only do cardio, you may be losing more muscle than fat. Your muscles are your body's internal engines. The more muscle you have, the more fat you burn even when resting. But when you skip resistance training, those engines shut down. Here's the catch. People with low muscle mass often have what doctors call skinny fat. They look thin but still have high visceral fat levels. So don't just run, lift, push, pull. You're not just building muscles, you're building a fat-burning machine. Part 4. The protein and potassium secret. Imagine your body as a house. Protein builds the walls, potassium powers the electricity. Without both, the whole system collapses. Protein rebuilds your muscles and keeps hunger away. Potassium helps flush out sodium and water, keeping your metabolism clean and balanced. Here's a simple guide. If you don't work out much, eat about 1.2 g of protein per kilogram of your body weight. If you lift weights, aim for 1.6 to 2.0 g. Example, a 70-kilo person needs around 100 to 140 g of protein daily. Pair that with potassium-rich foods like bananas, spinach, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. That's not a diet, that's a strategy. Part 5. The posture problem. Here's a secret most people never hear. Bad posture makes your belly look bigger than it is. When your shoulders roll forward and your neck drops, your spine curves and your abdomen pushes outward. That turtleneck posture doesn't just cause pain. It literally reshapes your body. Fixing posture isn't vanity. It's function. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back, and tighten your core slightly. Do this for a week and you'll not only look slimmer, you'll breathe better and move better. So here's your roadmap. Eat slowly. Cut back on alcohol. Build muscle. Eat protein, potassium. Fix your posture. Forget shortcuts. Forget starving. Visceral fat doesn't disappear through punishment, it leaves through balance. Your body isn't your enemy. It's waiting for you to treat it right. And when you do, it rewards you with energy, confidence, and strength. So don't chase a smaller body. Chase a stronger life.